Welcome to Now Vauxhall. Here today we have a Vauxhall CASCADA SE 2-litre CDTI. Two-door, fitted with an automatic transmission and finished in deep sky blue. This car was registered in April 2013 and as you can see is on a 13 plate. This car has a warranted mileage of 14,893 miles. The CASCADA SE is in Insurance Group 23 and has a CO2 figure of 163, which equates to a road fund licence fee of £180 annually. The CASCADA SE is fitted with daytime running lights to improve safety. The CASCADA SE comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, is fitted with colour keyed, heated and electric door mirrors. Colour keyed door handles are standard, along with remote central locking. The CASCADA SE comes with a high level rear brake light, along with rear parking sensors, and to complete the styling, a neat chrome exhaust tailpipe. As you can see, a large boot area with convenience lights and folding rear seats for greater flexibility. As you can see, a roomy passenger compartment with ISOFIX fitting for ease of fitting child seats, plus 2 rear seat belts. Map pockets also add storage space for rear passengers. Just to confirm the mileage of 14,893 miles. Standard features include electronic parking brake, remote electric release for rear seats, and air conditioning. For greater convenience, Bluetooth and cruise control are also standard. The 3-spoke leather-bound steering wheel with audio controls linked to the in-car entertainment of a CD MP3 player with auxiliary and USB points for greater flexibility. The multifunctional display shows CD and radio information along with trip and fuel computer. Lots of storage space, as you can see, with side pockets, cup holders and an armrest too. So as you can see, lots of features to make the drive even more enjoyable. This is a Network Q vehicle and benefits from a 12-month warranty. This concludes the presentation on the Vauxhall CASCADA SE 2-litre CDTI. You can reserve this vehicle online with a £100 no quibble deposit or call our internet sales team to arrange a convenient appointment. If you are thinking of finance, we are confident we can beat any high street lender with our flexible dealer funding plans. Thank you for visiting Now Vauxhall.